Go.
Hi, I just purchased this Lenovo computer today, so we're going to do an unboxing. To give you a few little details on it, it's a Lenovo IdeaPad Flex touchscreen. It has 1.7 Intel in it, 1.3 gigahertz. The RAM is 8 gigabytes, and the storage is 256 gigabytes as well. Oh, okay, here we go. And the color I picked up was a graphic gray. And included in this device, you receive Windows 10 downloaded on it already. You can see it. The power cord. Nice. Has the service plan included. Also, a little protector on it. See, I got the keypad over here on the side. The Intel Core 1.7 i7 Iris Plus. Okay. And what's so cool about it is it's flex. So you can turn into a touch screen or a monitor. i7. Okay. Over here. Also got the directions. Plug it in right here. Got the USB right there. Where you can put your SIM card or your photo card in here. This is where you charge it up at. So you can cut it off and then pick it back up.